Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ace and today we're diving into another Excel basic. Make sure to stay tuned until the end for all the details. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, let's jump right into it. Welcome. Today we'll be learning about another basic and most frequently asked about Excel formula. Concat. What is concat? It is a function that allows you to combine strings from multiple cells or ranges into one single cell. Let's take a look at the first example. First, select the cell where you would like your results to be. Then, type equal concat, open bracket, or simply press tab on your keyboard. And finally, select every cell that you wish to combine, and don't forget that after each selection, you must separate by a comma or semicolon depending on your Excel settings. Et voila! It is as simple as that. The info of all your cells combined into one. Now, you might be wondering, Ace, when and where could I use this formula? Well, other than gathering the info of multiple cells into one, you could use this formula to create unique key figures that when combined with other formulas can help you create powerful tools to find answers to certain questions much faster. Let's take a look at example number 2. Let's say that we want to figure out how many pieces Tony ordered of item C in order number 1. First, name the column where you will have your results key figure. Second, like in the first example, start by typing equal concat, open bracket or press tab, and select from the second table the cells you want to combine. Once you get the desired result, feel free to drag the formula to the other rows as well. This will allow us to create a unique identifier for each one of the rows, which will come in handy in the second part of this exercise. Now, in the third table, the result table, our key figure that we would want to find the result for is Tony Regina C1. Go ahead and use the concat formula. Now, let's use the result obtained with our concat formula with a formula we learned in our first video, the VLOOKUP. A link in the description below will be available if you want to see a step-by-step on how to perform a VLOOKUP and what it does. This will allow us to quickly identify the quantity that Tony has requested in order number 1 for item C. As you will see in just a second, the answer to our question is 150 pieces. Of course, in this example, we could have simply looked at the few rows that we had in table 2. However, in a real-life setting, you will be working with thousands of rows as scrolling through it just won't do it anymore, especially if you are required to find multiple other order quantities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found it helpful, and leave a comment down below for any help you might need or next tip you would like to see.